Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites: charged device, app installed, and permission prompts accepted. Next, sign in with your preferred account so settings sync. Once done, enable optional backup to save timers and profiles. Make sure to set your primary device and add an emergency contact now, because those details anchor automated rules. Finally, open the dashboard and note baseline screen time for 1 day. This gives you a realistic target to reduce and calibrates limits. You now create actionable limits. Pick apps or categories and assign daily or weekly minutes. Use digits for clarity, like 60 minutes per day. Once selected, configure focus sessions. Choose duration, allowed apps, and emergency exceptions so important calls still get through. Then build profiles such as work, sleep, and relax, and assign schedules to each profile so modes switch automatically. Make sure to test a 10-minute focus to confirm notifications are silenced, and timers decrement. You finish by monitoring usage reports and adjusting limits based on data. If you hit 90% of a goal, reduce limits gradually rather than drastic cuts. Set weekly goals and tiny rewards to reinforce progress and enable gentle reminders before locks. If something goes wrong, first restart the app, check that permissions remain granted, and clear cache to reset timers. If problems persist, reauthorize your account. Finally, reflect on one habit to change this week and schedule a follow-up review in 7 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.